Thinking about investing in real estate in Turkey? Here's a quick guide to help you make a smart move this year. Turkey offers excellent opportunities, from high rental yields to citizenship programs. Top cities like Istanbul, Antalya, and Alanya are in high demand with strong appreciation potential. Here's how the process works. Choose your property, whether it's for lifestyle, vacation, or investment. Reserve it with a deposit, typically 5% to 10% of the property price. Let your agent handle due diligence, checking title deeds, permits, and verifying the developer. Sign the official contract. It's usually available in English. Choose your payment plan, either cash or installments if the property is under construction. Apply for the title deed transfer, also called the Tapu, at the land registry office. And finally, get after-sales support, setting up utilities, furnishing, and even rental management. Foreign buyers can apply for a residence permit with property valued at $200,000 or more, and even gain citizenship with a $400 000 plus investment. Keep in mind, some districts in Istanbul are currently restricted for new residence permits unless your investment meets the citizenship threshold. So always consult with your agent. Need expert help? TIMONDRO Real Estate offers end-to-end service, from search and legal checks to smooth handover and beyond. Turkey is more than a destination, it's a smart investment.